Good night, crypto kids. The price of Ethereum has hit $4,600, so I wanted to make this very quick update video for you. If you didn't watch the previous video, then we said that Ethereum is going to continue, and we don't really have too much resistance until $4,650, which Ethereum is approaching very fast. So I wanted to make this update just to reassure you on what I think can potentially happen. The legend Benjamin Cohen also just dropped a video, so I will cover exactly what he said about Ethereum. And yeah, we'll cover altcoins in general as well, because I'm looking at the altcoin markets on the right-hand side of my screen, and I can see that altcoins, the large caps, also doing pretty well. Cardano up 10% today, AVAX up almost 10% too, so XRP up 5%. The altcoin market seems to be doing fine. We want to focus on Ethereum, obviously. Before we jump into the video though, you can go to the first link in the description down below to still claim your free $1,000 Ethereum trade. All you have to do is click the first link down below, sign up to Weeks, no deposit, no KYC required. You only have to bind your phone number and download the Weeks app to your mobile device and sign in with your new account. That's all you have to do to claim your free $1,000 Ethereum position. Obviously, over on Weeks, all of our trades have been incredibly profitable, and we can take a quick look at them. This account, we started with only $5,000, and I believe we've made more with just our Ethereum positions. We had incredible entries. We entered at 1.6, we entered at 1.5, we entered at 2,200, 3,000, 325. We had a very bullish macro outlook for Ethereum. So congratulations to all crypto kids that were able to open positions on Ethereum on Weeks. If you haven't done so already and you want to open positions without risking your own money, you can do so with the first link in the description down below. The main reason I wanted to make this video, obviously, is because Ethereum is rocketing to the upside. Over the past 2 months alone, the price of ETH has gone up by 85%, which is unbelievable. And for the first time, it looks like the Trump's prediction was right. It didn't lead to a massive sell-off. We are increasing in a very swift basis, and I'm excited to see how much of an inflow we saw on the Ethereum ETFs. Yesterday was a brand new record worth $1 billion, never seen before in Ethereum's history. And in the next 6 hours or so, we should start getting the publications of how much Ethereum ETF inflows we've seen today. And I wouldn't be shocked if it was 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 billion dollars. What caused this pump was the inflation reading coming 10 basis points lower than expectations, solidifying a rates cut in September. That's what's causing the altcoin market to increase, but Ethereum is taking the lead by a massive amount by going to 4.6, levels we've not seen since the top of the previous market. Currently though, Ethereum is approaching very close resistance at 4655. We're going to hit that resistance exactly. Am I going to be taking profits? Not taking profits yet. I agree with Benjamin Cohen. I think that Ethereum can reach new all-time highs within the next 2 weeks before the end of August. But after we hit that all-time high, I think there is going to be a correction down, even potentially to the $4,000 level, and then we continue to the upside. What is the reasoning behind this? Bitcoin post-halving year, there's always a September correction, and Benjamin Cohen is expecting the same to follow for Ethereum. Doesn't mean it's going to happen 100%. No, it doesn't. And what is the bottom line? The bottom line is that Ethereum will keep going up. And I agree with it. We're in Ethereum season officially, and I think that will continue. So I'm not taking any chances. I'm not closing my long positions. I'm definitely not shorting. But it is possible that we come down after hitting a new all-time high or breaking to the prior all-time high. We see a bit of a correction and then a continuation to the upside. We have very strong momentum. This bullish pennant has been absolutely obliterated. The resistance is now confirmed to be broken 100%, so no issues there. And just as a final topic before calling it a day, if I switch to the auto scale from the log scale, you can see that we have a very nice multi-cycle resistance, which Bitcoin is broken out of, obviously, and we reached the upper resistance and we're even at higher territories. Look, I think the entire altcoin markets, Ethereum, obviously that's being included, will follow what Bitcoin did because we do it every single cycle. I think Ethereum will reach the $7,500 to $8,000 territories, maybe even a little bit more. But overall, super bullish on Ethereum. Ethereum is the main spot for tokenization. Ethereum is the main spot for stablecoins, and those two narratives will be the most important ones in altcoin season. At least that is how I'm seeing things. So guys, if you enjoyed this very late night update video, please destroy the like button. Subscribe to the CryptoKit channel for breaking updates like this one. And with that said, enjoy the rest of your evening or day, depending on when you're watching this video and where you're watching this video. But as always, guys, bye-bye.